Hey petrolheads, it is my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I own it for more than 2 years. I bought it with the mileage around 200,000 kilometers. Now it passed more than 230,000 kilometers, and I wanted to share with you my experience and is it a good idea to buy an old Jeep Grand Cherokee. Because I really wanted to make an update of this video, because when I first bought this car I was really upset and disappointed because I had problems with cooling system and also a fallen alternator. So I thought from the very beginning when I drove it for several months that that's a rubbish car and there is no reason to buy such car. I also have a video about it on my channel. But now, after 2 years and more than 30,000 kilometers, I can say that it's pretty reliable. Because come on, we're talking about 12 years old car, it's 2013 model, and it ran more than some German brand's lifespan in general. So I don't think that I should be too disappointed with several things that went broken. However, this car has an original engine, original gearbox. Yes, sometimes Grand Cherokee of this generation, and it is quite common, they have problems with an air suspension. And this exact car as well had an air suspension, but it was removed by the previous owner and changed to the standard one. So yes, I would avoid the car with an air suspension nowadays, but now you can buy even this car with V8 Hemi 5.7 engine without an air suspension. So I think that it's quite a reliable option. Yes, of course, it's not a fuel-efficient car, as you can expect from 5.7 Hemi engine, so I don't think it's a surprise for you. But in general, I can say that yes, you can rely on this car. And except cooling system and alternator, there were no problems with this car for 30,000 kilometers. Yes, maybe it's not a huge mileage, and of course we expect Hemi V8s to run more than 500,000 kilometers, but for sure I wouldn't do it myself at least. But as for now, I see no reason to sell this car and buying something in the similar range. Because I know this car, I know exactly what's going on with it, I know how well is the engine, how well is the transmission, and buying a lemon, buying a surprise car for the same amount of money, if you are not ready to upgrade, even going for a little bit lower mileage, I don't know, 150,000 kilometers, I don't think it would really work. But if you think about buying this car on the secondary market, I believe it's not that bad idea, because it's really reliable. Yes, you pay for it with the fuel consumption, but if you don't drive too much, then it could be, and of course the petrol in your country is not that expensive, then it could be a good solution, because all problems in these cars are absolutely solvable. Yes, there could be some problems with electronics, but there are not that much electronics here in general. So I think you can manage it absolutely. All other things, except for, like I told you before, the air suspension, everything else is extremely reliable. And it's even hard to imagine some engine that is more reliable than 5.7 Hemi. Probably Toyota 4-liter V6. Yes, it could be Toyota V8s. Yes, maybe, but they are in the same league for sure. The prices for Grand Cherokees nowadays on the secondary market are extremely low. You can purchase one of those pre-facelift models for around $5,000, just $5,000. Okay, maybe for a great condition car you can pay something around 7K. But still, you get for it an absolutely predictable car where you pay for your safety, for a big SUV, for reliability, with the fuel prices. If you are okay with this exchange, I believe that this is one of the best options on the secondary market right now, if we count, of course, the buying price. And as for me, like I told you in the full review of the car, I believe that Volkswagen Touareg is a better car to buy right now. But it is for sure at least the second, or maybe it can even compete with Touareg, but okay, it's the question of taste. But here I see a great value for money, but be ready that it would be extremely hard to resell it, because everyone is afraid of 5.7 Hemi engine, because of course it's consume a lot of fuel. but 3.6 Pentastar would be not that reliable. So choosing maybe between 3.6 option, Grand Cherokee 3.6, and another car, then maybe another model would be a better option, because it wouldn't be extremely economical with Pentastar, obviously, but also it wouldn't be that reliable. So yes, the only reason to buy Grand Cherokee is 5.7 Hemi engine. And once again, I believe it's a good choice, and I'm not disappointed like I was from the very beginning when I bought this car. So I would like to know your opinion about this car. Please write in comments. Thank you for watching. Press the like button, it supports channel a lot, and subscribe for more.